Welcome back. Say now talk am as e be na him we still dey and still be ozo baba. This one you need to sit down well. If you get motor sit down, you don't get motor sit down. You get lawyer, you need to ask your lawyer, because when you listen to the wetin this man talk about particulars, vehicle particulars, you need to listen, so that you need to share am to your lawyer, make them comment. You need to comment, make people learn. We need to learn from wetin this man talk. Na true abi na lie, make you hear am from the man wey sabi. Oya talk am.
My lawyer just called me to warn me. He said I should never ever give police my car particulars. He said they don't have any rights. He said they don't have jurisdiction to see my car particulars. That even Federal Road Safety Corps members, that I should never give them my particulars. He said the only agency in Nigeria that has the right to demand for car particulars is VIO. Those ones that used to wear white and one of that color. That I should never give police my car particulars. He said if they ask me to give them, I should tell them that my lawyer said no. That is because we don't tell them this. That's why they intimidate us and they ask for it. He asked me if police is a traffic agency. I said no. He said that's why I should not. That court has upheld it. He said though if they hold me at night in the corner, that I should listen to them and give them that the arms of the law sometimes they covered her eyes. She's blind. She does to see in the night. I said okay, lawyer, thank you. Then he then said that even via you, that if they hold you, that they have a rule book that every single offense they have has a fine. He said he sent it to me. I should check my email and I will send it to you too. But I have to tell my lawyer thank you. Tell him thank you.
Thank you, lawyer.
Say it again.
All right, you don't hear am. He say police no supposed to dey check our particulars. Now only, you know those one where they wear white and black. Yes, VIO. Now only they suppose. Even road safety no suppose see your particular, your driving license, everything. So while they come dey warriors for road, abeg wetin dey happen? We need to speak out now. Make we begin talk. If you think say this man dey wrong, abeg put your comment. If you think say dey right, put your comment, because not be sit down look we dey again. No, the way they just dey push us up and down, my brother. Not be easy thing. We still get another story where we go knock you after this one. Now Ghen Ghen school university don dey train. You need to see this follow up. Make I just give now. Even churches sef dey thank God, say yes, Ghen Ghen don help people.
And I want to thank God for what is happening during last week. What is trending, they call it Ghen Ghen School of Wisdom. Go and register. It says Ghen Ghen School of Wisdom. I understand. It's trending now. Where a young man is teaching other young men not to be stupid. Many ladies don't like it. After all, who go like wear free food for come up for a mouth? Many ladies don't like what that young man is teaching. I too have problem with what he's saying, but if you look at majority of what he's saying, there's sense. Yes, sense.
I want to thank God for the life of my mentor Ghen Ghen, for opening studio and opening my eye and the eye of the youth. Praise the Lord, church. Thank you.
Praise the Lord. Please, can all the testifiers rise?